Christmas is all about you. I see everywhere around the fairies of December. I see everywhere around the fairies of December.
You have to try this LED gift box. You just need 4 stretch canvases from the Dollar Tree, hot glue, tissue for the present, as well as ribbon, and girl, fire.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell chime in jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in the one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix and a mingle in the jingling feet. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell rock.
Another holiday, alone to celebrate. But then, one day, everything changed. You're all I need, underneath the tree.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go.
Santa needed a little bit of help this year making these Santa cameras so that way he can find out who's on the nice list and who's on the naughty list. So I volunteered and I said that I would help. So I'm gonna go ahead and help him make these cameras so that way he can watch over everyone this holiday season. Be good out there, boys and girls.
As promised, another DIY Christmas gift idea. So these little boards cost me $1 at the Dollar Tree, and I just printed out this Joy to the World music sheet and soaked it in coffee water. I burnt the edges to just give it that extra look of wear and tear. I accidentally ripped it, but that's okay. With Mod Podge, it is not that big of a deal. All in all, this costs about $1 if you have everything, including the twine. If not, it might cost you about $5. Super cute.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again with candy canes and silver.
DIY
gonna know.
Designer ribbon under $15.
Gonna know. They're gonna know. How would they know?
Hi everyone, I'm back and starting this holiday season off with a super simple but cute Christmas DIY. Stay tuned because I have so many more home goodies coming your way. I'm so excited to share. Hope you enjoy this one and stay happy, stay merry, stay bright.
DIY book stack for Christmas time. I love using our box frames because they are the perfect size, easy to work with, and don't bend. Apply your paste on your reusable transfer, peel, and reveal your design. Add your accents. Get paid to create or enjoy as a fun hobby with perks. Let me know if you want more info and follow for more DIY projects.
Let's make some miniature Christmas hats. I use these on top of snowmen, the candle snowmen, or sometimes I string them together and make a garland out of them. All you need are toilet paper, paper towel rolls, and yarn. Cut your yarn to size and then tie slip knots all the way around your piece of cardboard. Once you've done that, then pull the yarn through, and I like to insert a cotton ball to kind of hold the shape. but that's optional. Tie another piece of string around to create your hat, and then just shape your pom-pom on top.
I have been on the hunt for these snow globes, and this is my third Dollar Tree, and I finally found them. These are $6.99 each at Michael's, so for $1, that's such a great steal. I ended up getting 10 of them. I got the large snow and the smaller snow and the glitter snow that goes on the inside of them. I figured this would be a cute craft for Ellie and I to do for Christmas. If you have a Dollar Tree nearby, I would go grab some.
I made my own Christmas decor for $5. I bought for glass jars and gold beads from Dollar Tree. I glued the jars together and glued the beads to the trim. Like and follow for more. For dollars DIY. Christmas lollipop. Dollar Tree.
If you're looking for an easy DIY gift idea, keep on watching. Today we're making a potpourri in a jar. This is the perfect gift for someone who loves their house to smell amazing, and this stuff will make their house smell just like Christmas. All they'll have to do is pour the ingredients in 3 cups of water and let it boil. Then turn it on low and they can simmer it throughout the day and refill it with water as needed. You can find all of these items at your local grocery store, making it super affordable. You can even make a bunch of these items at one time for multiple people to knock out a bunch of gifts at once. Be sure to save this video for later and follow me for more.
Baby, extra bright, I want y'all to see this. Turn up the lights in here, baby. You know what I need, want you to see everything, want you to see all of the lights.
Turning designer dust bags into clothes. I made an ornament with all the books I've read in 2021. It was a lot of work, but it's cute and made me feel super accomplished. I can't believe I've read 57 books this year.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look in the 5 and 10, glistening once again with candy canes.
Stop buying this creamer and DIY the syrup at home.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell time and jingle bell time.
My sister and I have always been mistaken as twins. I'm 19 and she's 16, but we have the same height, skin tone, and similar voice. She also has a habit of being a copycat, from the way I dress to hobbies, even piercings. I know it's cute if you look at it from the outside, but sometimes it gets annoying. Like, yeah, we are quite close too, but why does she always happen to pick up everything I pick up? One afternoon, I was tidying up some costumes in my college showroom and found a rather cute brown and pink wig. It looks like a mushroom. I put it on, think it looks rather funny, so I snapped a picture and posted it to my Instagram. I received a text from my sister asking if I really cut my hair. I didn't mention it was a wig. While I somewhat have a feeling that she might copy that too, I lied and replied yes. I came home that weekend and lo and behold, my sister emerged with the same silly brown and pink bob cut, except this one is on her permanent hair. She was surprised that I arrived with my hair still long, then realized that I lied to her. She was furious that she had to cut that
Oh, when you're